Hi, Angela here with UCWorkspace at ISE 2020. We're here with one of our partners, Flatfrog. I'm here with Nathan, who's the VP of Marketing. How's the show been for you, Nathan?
Surprisingly, it's been actually quite busy. We've had a lot of visitor and definitely a lot of interest in the NEC and the Quicklaunch product in our booth.
Thank you. So we announced the other day some new Flatfrog integration. Just some easier ways to work. So now it's just a single button click to the new Flatfrog board. Flatfrog introduced a new whiteboard product. How's that been for you, Nathan?
We got some really good reception. People really appreciate the in-glass experience and the writing and the erasing and being able to identify fingers and writing all that good stuff. But in addition to that, now integrated with Quicklaunch, we also have the ability to share from either your personal phone or from a laptop directly into the screen. And we can also support board-to-board, so you can be in a remote location or in the different offices within the same building, and you can share your board and have it projected, and you can have multiple people working on the same board at the same time. You can find more information on our website at www.flatfrog.com.
Thank you, Nathan. Well, it's been a fantastic show. We couldn't be happier with our partnership and look forward to years to come. Thanks.